Is your Android phone letting all your important calls go straight to voicemail? Let's get this fixed. First things first, let's check airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick settings panel. Make sure the airplane mode icon, which looks like an airplane, is turned off. If it's on, tap it once to disable it. Sometimes a simple toggle can solve the problem. Next, we'll dive into your phone's settings. Tap on the Settings app. Look for an option labeled Phone, Calls, or My Phone. The exact wording might vary depending on your Android version and phone manufacturer. Within the call settings, find and tap on Call Forwarding. This feature can accidentally get enabled and reroute your calls. Ensure that all call forwarding options are set to Never or that they are turned off entirely. If any are active, switch them to the Off or Never setting. Now, let's check your blocked numbers. Still in the call settings, locate and tap on blocked numbers or block list. Scroll through the list and be sure that the numbers you expect to receive calls from aren't on this list. If you see any numbers incorrectly blocked, tap the X or remove icon next to them. If those settings are all correct, the issue might be with your network connection. Go back to the main settings menu and find Network and Internet or Connections. Tap on this option. Inside network settings, select mobile network or SIM cards. Here, you'll want to ensure your mobile data is enabled and that your preferred network type is set to something like 4G or 5G if available. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and then immediately off again from here, as this can force your phone to re-establish a connection with your carrier's towers. Finally, if none of these steps work, a restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart once your phone boots back up. Try having someone call you to see if the issue is resolved.